Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term BMS. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, BMS is a slang term often used to mean be my squad or similar invitations. People use it when inviting friends to join a group or event. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different, depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. BMS first showed up in the early 2010s among youth messaging communities. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among young people and online friends. Now let's check out how to use BMS in a sentence. Correct example 1. She texted me, join my BMS for the weekend trip, inviting all her close friends. Correct example 2. Hey, are you coming to the party? It's BMS only. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said BMS at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using BMS right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. BMS means a slang invitation like be my squad. It started in youth messaging in the early 2010s, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with BMS in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.